Classroom for the Sustainable Future is an idea my school friends and I came up with this March. We're all going to Kreativno High School in Belgrade, Serbia.
We wanted to address a problem of toxic materials used for school supplies, toys and many other things students and kids use. These are the reasons for many health issues in later life.
Basically, our project is a classroom equipped with 3D printers powered by renewable energy from a solar panel with PLA plastic made of corn as a filament, completely biodegradable and non-toxic.
When we develop this project, our school is going to be the first educational institution with 3D printers and solar panels for its powering in country and wider. Students will learn how to work on 3D printers, why it is important to use healthy materials and renewable energy resources. We wanted to contact and include many other schools in this project and ensure our peers will learn about those important things and new skills as well.
Our IT club will be in charge of keeping machines in good condition, and like that, project will easily continue to make impact on many more generations to come, not only for students in our school, but other from the country and region as well.
Our school is very well known, and with its reputation, many people from the region will be moved by Sheikh Zayed's legacy. They will start to think more about sustainability and the health of our planet, which means our own health as well.
We are sure that Kreativno is the global high school.